Manage technician allowance bills and approve field expenses. Technician bill management begins in the Master's module to control field service reimbursements. Proper configuration of technician bills ensures accurate financial tracking of all field-related expenses. The listing displays the allowance category, which classifies the type of expense incurred. Bill amount reflects the original total submitted by the technician for the specific task. Proposed amount and approved amount columns facilitate a multi-stage review of financial claims. Expanding a record reveals specific attachment details and the user responsible for the entry. The Approve Amount window allows managers to authorize the final disbursement for the technician. Setting the approved value determines the actual payout and updates the status of the bill. Immediate system confirmation validates that the technician bill has been successfully updated and processed. Reviewing existing entries ensures consistency between submitted costs and final approved operational expenditures. Accessing record details provides a complete audit trail including the submission date and creator. The Reject Technician Bill interface requires a formal reason to document why a claim was denied. Submitting a rejection updates the record status to prevent unauthorized payments and maintain fiscal integrity. This centralized oversight streamlines allowance processing, enforces spending policies, and ensures transparent technician compensation. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.